What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another highly combustible reaction. We're gonna be jumping into something kind of cool. Damn, nature, you scary, funny, scary animal encounters. I don't think there's anything funny about scary animal encounters, because if you put yourself in that position, I'm saying, like running with the bulls, jumping over the enclosures at the zoo, probably things that we should avoid. You left it on the request form, so I'm here with it. Let's jump into it. Let's check it out together. Let's roll. Yo, that's a strong ass bull. He didn't even come running at it. He just kind of turned around and lifted it up. What the hell did the Jeep do to you? Yo! Damn bull. Come down. Bro, you ain't going nowhere now.
Eels.
Those are some giant eels. No. Look at the size of them. Oh,
The
duck.
duck got it.
Damn it, if he turns around on you. No, go get the heck. Why are you following the bear in the first place on a snowmobile?
Got it.
Damn, you got lucky. You goddamn lucky. Whoa.
Oh, no.
Oh my God, it was coming in fast and everybody was just kind of, all you could do was watch. Oh. Look out.
Oh, no.
Yo,
Oh, my God.
bro. Get the hell. Get out of the water.
He sees it. Look at him. Oh, my God.
Get out of here. Get up there.
Did you get that on video?
Yeah.
No. I already saw the damn hoof move. If you see the horse ready his leg, you do not walk behind said horse. Yep. No. Get him. I mean, run.
Hey!
Alrighty, here we go. 1, and 2, 3. Jesus Christ Almighty! Snakes! Jesus Christ!
Yeah, no. Oh yeah, it would have to be a real fast throw.
I think we got a garfish, dude.
He did not say a crawfish. He said a garfish.
Be careful, Evan. Oh my God!
Shit!
That's a big gator, buddy.
Pedal.
That is a big gator.
Oh. Yeah, crocodile almost got Crocodile Dundee right into the water. Did you see it? Oh! Yeah, I'm serious, man. You can't be messing around with these damn monkeys. Y'all are crazy. For real, they've got teeth like 4-inch incisors that you really don't want dug into you. Like, for real, mischievous little bastards they are. You don't want to be messing around with these monkeys. Stop trying to pet them. They are not pets. Feed them some bananas and then leave them alone. Oi. Get the baby. What the hell is it? Oh. Yeah, close the door. Close the damn door. No, you're not. Oh. God. You are lucky the barb didn't go through.
Jesus Christ. Gotta be careful here.
I think I seen this on a different video. It chases him, right? Oh yeah, he's hauling ass too. You better run. See how fast? Don't fall down if the gator's chasing you. That's the worst possible thing to do. Are you trying to get eaten? Yeah,
well,
keep effing around.
That puts an end to my tarpon fishing.
Yeah, you're done tarpon fishing for today.
Get back.
Do not stump at him. He said, go ahead, stump at me. Oh, no, no. Elephant. He sunk your battleship. Now, when you play with lions.
Play with lions is important to never show fear.
Oh, the discipline in this man. Please don't show.
Play with lions is important to never show fear.
I would never let him live there. Get out of the swimming pool. It's in there with you. That's a crocodile. I was trying to eat her. No, that's a little caiman. Oh, I've never seen one so vicious before. It's really going after her like a meal. Yo, it's fast. Damn thing bit her hand. Savage ass caiman. No thing. Literally, seriously, that last animal on the face of the earth that you want to mess with is a moose. Glacier National Park, hiking down the trail. I've seen one of them things. Bigger than you ever imagined they would ever be. Moose and elk. Those are two things you don't want to come across while hiking. So you probably want to stay the hell away from them on a bicycle. It's got little moose babies with it. What do you think it's going to do? Yep. You don't mess around. You did the most smart thing you possibly could by just falling over. Oh my God, it almost got you. Look at him. A heart attack. Something tells me you're about to get wet.
Come on, keep kicking him.
Oh! Thank God she broke his fall.
I'm so glad I was recording that.
Oh.
Got like a big stick or something. Big stick.
It's not a big stick. Not if it's moving
heavy,
up.
whatever
like that.
it is.
No. That's a gator. It's a crocodilian.
That is not a stick. Oh my God. That's not a stick at all. Holy sh**.
Hi, man.
Holy sh**. Oh my Lord. Holy moly. Wow, that changes things.
Yeah, that changes things a little bit. Cut the line.
Hey. Hey.
Oh.
Hey. Hey. Hey.
Yeah, make yourself big. Make yourself big.
Hey.
Oh, the octopus.
Daddy, there's an octopus eating a crab.
Yo, it came out with the quickness too. Look at it. Oh, the Kraken. The Kraken got him. Oh, it's dragging him back to his watery lair. That happened very fast. I did not know the octopuses shot out of the water like that.
I'm not
I have to
gonna bug you.
rethink my beat strategy.
I'm going away.
What is that? A damn leopard?
I promise I'm not gonna bug you.
Mountain lion.
I'm not gonna bug
Mountain
you. I'm
lion.
going away.
Puma.
I'm going away.
I'm going away.
I'm going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I promise. I'm going away. I'm going away.
Yo, it is
I'm
hissing.
going away. I'm not gonna bug you. I'm going away.
I don't think it. Oh, we're about to see homie catch it to the grape with 2 giraffe horns. Nobody wants to get horned by a giraffe. Nobody wants to get eaten by a giraffe anyway. Either it would take way too long to get to the stomach.
I'm not gonna bug you.
Look at this.
I'm going away.
Oh! Bro, you almost died. That thing has so much neck muscles.
You could break right through that glass. Leave it alone.
I have a gun.
What are you gonna do with? He's not
I'm walking
gonna. He's not a
backwards on the trail
burglar.
back to the camp. I'm walking down the trail, and Mom and 2 cubs.
Mom and 2 cubs is not who I want following me. No, thank you, sir.
So I am continually to walk backwards.
I would walk my
Mom
ass
and the
backwards off the trail. Maybe they just want to use the walkway.
Keep following me, and are walking at least as fast as I am.
Better hope Mom's not teaching them how to hunt. That's a tool. Oh, damn! I didn't know that tuna ate seagulls. That's a tuna. What is that? Oh, he spit it back out. You goddamn lucky right there, bird. You just had a Noah's Ark moment. You better get out of there. Like. What is that? What in the world is that? That's an alien. That is something you see from the movies. What is that hanging out? No. If you ever pulled one of those out of my nose. Oh! What? No.
You. Oh. Oh. No! Get the away! Go away! Go away! No!
You better pick up some rocks or something.
No! You, dude! Holy. Yeah, get the away from me. Face.
There you have it. There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Damn nature, you scary, funny, scary animal encounters. I know I said Noah's Ark moment back there. You know I meant Jonah. Hey, here we go. There you go. It was awesome. Seriously, stop messing around with the animals because they're animals. They're eventually going to realize they're animals. And some of them are a lot bigger than us and have teeth. Like, that's just what I'm going to say about that. You'll never catch me out running around trying to hike with the grizzly bears. No, I'll go hiking. Maybe in some areas where there might be a grizzly bear. But should I see one, asshole and elbows. That's what you're going to see. Straight up. If you guys enjoyed it, definitely go show failarmy some love on their channel. I'm going to leave it down below inside of the description. Hit the like button if you liked it, the dislike button if you disliked it. Check out one of the videos up here. Subscribe right here if you want to see more content. Possibly your content. Until the next one, I'm highly combustible. You guys be happy, healthy, safe. I love you to the moon and back. Peace.